This is not sponsored. I'm not that big of a YouTuber yet. This BabyLiss flat iron is everything.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
That's really what my channel is. It's home and hair. What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, y'all, so in today's video I'm going to do an updated review on this BabyLiss flat iron, which a lot of subscribers came from there, but I'm also going to share my top 5 tips on how to reduce heat damage to your hair. Throughout this video, I'm going to be showing some clips of different videos that I've posted here on YouTube, just showing how beautiful my hair was. My hair was so healthy. You know, I thought I was doing everything right while still wearing my hair straight, but I thought I was taking every precaution possible to keep my hair protected and, you know, preventing heat damage. So I'm going to talk about that a little bit in this video today. So for the BabyLiss, I'm going to go ahead and say I still absolutely love this flat iron. I will not take a shot at BabyLiss because this is simply my fault. The way that I have heat damage right now is insane. Like I did a video, I'll link it, showing y'all my heat damage and when I discovered it a year ago. But I will be doing an updated flat iron routine because I have not flat ironed my hair in about 9 to 10 months, and it was only one time this year. So I'm going to do an updated flat iron routine, but there are so many lessons that I've learned in the past few years of using this BabyLiss and literally frying my hair, y'all, that I want to share with y'all in this video. But again, as far as the updated review on this flat iron, I still think it's amazing. It still works just as good as when I first got it. I think it's worth the value, and I think it gets the job done. However, we're going to go into my top 5 tips on how to try your best to prevent heat damage or reduce the risk of heat damage when you're a straight girl like me and you love the flat iron look, the silk press look, but you want to try to protect your strands at the same time. So let's get into number 1. My number 1 tip is to use low heat and never turn the temperature to the max. That was one of my biggest mistakes. I would always, when I got this BabyLiss, I would turn it to the maximum temperature because I loved how straight and easy it was to get my hair straight and sleek. Of course, it was easy. It made the flat iron process faster, and it made my hair stay straight longer. So I turned it up to the maximum temperature, and I want to help y'all to not do the same thing. So definitely use like medium to low heat. I know we need high heat sometimes to really get that straight look, but definitely at all costs, try to use low heat. Number 2, remember that heat protectant really doesn't save your strands. It's helpful to help you limit, you know, your risk of heat damage, but it's not going to completely avoid or protect you at all costs. So just keep that in mind. That's something that if y'all go back to my flat iron videos or my silk press videos, I will be like, you know, I'm using heat protectant. Sometimes I'll use 2 different heat protectants because I just thought, okay, I'll be good because I'm using heat protectant. But there were so many other things I was doing wrong during that time of, you know, straightening my hair that, you know, even though I used heat protectant, it still didn't prevent me from getting heat damage. I mean, my hair looks nothing like this today. It's getting better because once I realized the issue and my hair was just falling out, shedding, breaking, I definitely fell back on putting heats in my hair. That's blow dryer, flat iron, everything. So I haven't done that but once this year. And I'm definitely learning to reduce the number of times I flat iron. So that is my tip number 3. If you are going to be a straight girly and you're going to do your silk presses or your flat irons for your hair, definitely limit the amount of times that you flat iron your hair in a year. So based on my experience, like I'm telling y'all, I was literally doing all types of hair tutorials for my YouTube channel, creating content, and I wasn't really realizing what I was doing to my hair and how badly I was handling my hair. I was flat ironing my hair first, like weekly. And then it got to the point where I would be doing like touch-ups every day. And I didn't think nothing of it. I was like, you know, I'm just straightening my roots. I'm just bending my ends. Whole time I was really screwing up my hair, y'all. For real, I was screwing up my hair. So this clip right here is just one of my silk press videos. This is just how long my hair was. My hair is probably like, I probably lost like 4 or 5 inches over the past year of my hair, and it's really depressing. It actually is really depressing because, you know, it's kind of like I am not my hair, but I am. And I feel like I'm just adapting to this. I posted on my TikTok of me trying to rock my natural curls because I'm doing everything I can in the meantime of trying to repair my hair, using different products to repair my hair. But I'm a straight girly, so I like that. So my goal now is once I really start back flat ironing my hair, which I will do a new silk press routine in the next week or so, I'm limiting my amount of times that I flat iron my hair to 4 times a year. That's the maximum. It's either 2 to 4 times a year, like once a quarter, because I do like the look, but I know that I need to change my ways so that my hair is protected. And the goal for me is to retain length, and I'm not going to do that if I keep frying my hair off. Okay, now moving on to tip number 4. This is something that I did, but I didn't take seriously, and I didn't do it consistently. So you want to make sure you're sleeping with a satin head wrap or scarf or bonnet, however your style is. Make sure it's satin so that, you know, it keeps your strands from pulling or ripping in your sleep because it's so smooth, it's so soft. So it's going to keep, you know, help you retain length and help you reduce breakage. So do that. I've also invested in a satin pillowcase so that if for some reason my bonnet or my scarf comes off in the middle of the night, my pillowcase is satin, so it's helpful to, you know, keep that same effect. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. One of the biggest mistakes I was doing was in the past couple years of me flat ironing my hair and, you know, making it look all nice in my YouTube videos and on a day-to-day basis, I would not wrap my hair up at night because the way that BabyLiss flat iron straightened my hair, I could literally go to sleep. I ain't even wrap my hair, nothing. I would go to sleep, wake up, and my hair was still looking amazing. So I guess I just took it for granted. You know, I was being lazy and I paid the price for it. Tip number 5 that I'm going to say for y'all is to keep your hair hydrated and do regular masks. This is something that I always did. This is not something that I'm just newly implementing. I'm just taking it seriously and making sure it's on a more routine basis. So I do weekly hair mask in my hair. I'll put the hair mask on. I'll do like a hot treatment where I put it underneath a dryer on a like cool temperature, just so that it really is penetrating my hair, because I'm doing everything possible. I am also using the Olaplex system, so I'll be sharing like my review on that and more things, like a process of how I use the Olaplex 3, 4, 5, and I've even used the 7. So I really wanted to make this video because I know a lot of people found me through my hair videos, especially the BabyLiss review videos. And, you know, I just thought it was only fair and only right to come back to here and give y'all like an updated review, and then also just share my top 5 tips on how to prevent heat damage, because it's not fun, it's not cute, it's not pretty. It's actually made me cry quite a few times, actually depressing. And I don't know, let me know in the comment section if you have any heat damage tips, any heat damage prevention tips. Check out some of my other videos. Like I said, I will link the video so y'all can see how my hair is looking now, and I will be doing an updated routine in my current state. But thank you guys so much for rocking with me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Look at my beautiful hair. I miss it so much, y'all. Stay tuned for more hair videos and all the other content on my channel.